Okay, this is my Honda Accord 1997 2.2. I just want to make this video real quick because I was looking online trying to figure it out how to get this running. I was in the highway, it just shut off. Before that, it was giving me a little problem, like a little trouble starting a little bit. Like it'll like try to crank and then catch up and zoop and then it'll start. I'm like, I thought it was a starter. I replaced the starter. I just wanted to replace it anyways because I had a new one. And while I was on the highway, it just died on me. And I checked everything, guys. I did a compression test. I replaced the fuel filter. So you can see it's brand new. I replaced the spark plugs, cap, and rotor. I timed it again. I put in a cylinder, one tap the center, and all that stuff. I checked for pulsating on the fuel injectors. I checked for power on here. I checked for spark coming out of there. Spark on the wires, spark here, but no spark from here. The spark from the coil to the distributor cap. And if you take the distributor cap and you crank it just like that, there's spark, but there's no spark going into the distributor. And then I went inside and I cranked it and I checked to see if it was turning, and it wasn't turning, the rotor. I'm like, oh man, good buddy of mine, Mr. Lampy. That's my go-to guy. My brother from another mother. He told me, go check the timing belt that's connected to the camshaft. And look at this, guys. This thing was off. It came off. Something happened. I don't know what is broken in there, but I'm gonna have to take it off. But as you can see, that's off right there. I took the cover off, of course. I didn't see that, but that would make sense right there. I gotta go check what broke in there, what's loose. Probably check the valve and the pistons. But that's, if any of you guys are having a problem, a no start, it cranks, but it's like a mild crank, like it's not a powerful crank like it's supposed to be. It's like a cranking, like a mild cranking, like not crazy, not a normal cranking. But this is pretty much my problem right now. That's why it won't fire it up. But at least I did all that. Now I know that all that stuff is done. Shoot, crank up right away as soon as I figured out what's wrong with this. A pulley or the belt broken or something. But that's the reason why the rotor is not turning, because the camshaft is connected to the rotor. And it's not turning. Okay, hope it helps somebody.